nature walk. Hey, the land of plenty of hills. Ooh. In the tours us, enjoy yourself. Somewhere there, like Kipia, Mbogoini B, that is Nakuru, Subukia. Then we have Baringo. Hey, whoever made this road worked hard. Look at those stones. One thing I like about this is, as an engineer, hey, these guys who made this line, they worked hard. Calculating the span of that supporting structure as not a walk in the park. Away. Is a famous quote, Meragaptot. So let me go to the viewpoint. You can see. Sasa. Hey, you can see road trip. This was serious, guys. So actually this one is a terminal structure. You can see we have this one should be 66 or that 3 kV. 1, 2, 3. This should be 66 kV transmission line. Wow. Good job. Road trip. Main para-para apa? Yan, wi. Kabuso. Nanyalil buch. Maliza. That is it for today in your tour. Remember to subscribe and join our tribe. Follow YouTube, Tarai Teach Patrick Yagan. Kudos to the engineers who did this work.